The Yield Enhancement Network is just as it sounds, a network of farmers and scientists coming together to endeavour to bridge the yield gap between the theoretical yield and farm practice. If we look at nationally, the yield plateau, this is at the moment the only step whereby farmers and scientists are working together to try and address that issue. Nationally, the average wheat yields about 8.5 tonne a hectare. In this part of Scotland, we're looking at a yield potential of about 18.5 tonnes a hectare, so there's a 10 tonne a hectare gap. Anything that we can do towards helping that is obviously good news, and the more people that take part in the network, the more we gain from it. What we're looking at is twofold, two parts of the competition. So there is an out-and-out yield. There's a massive learning curve in taking part. Two parts of the competition. So there is an out-and-out yield element, and there's also a percentage of potential element. So the UK is divided up in theoretical percentage areas according to its climatic conditions and its soil types. And then the potential yield that you could achieve is derived from that using science. And then you aim to get as near as that as possible, and there are awards for the person getting nearest to it or the highest proportion of potential.